बाल बहुत फ्लैट लग रहे हैं क्या? नहीं, ठीक लग। Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is all about shopping. We all love shopping, don't we? टाइम पे काफ़ी सारी सेल चल रही थी on Amazon, Purple, Nykaa. Everybody was coming up with sale. So thought I would shop a few things and share it with you all. So let's get started. So first of all, let me that I did shop for a lot of things, not very pricey but affordable. I did shop skincare, a few in makeup, and these are all the boxes. जो बड़े बॉक्सेस थे, चीज़ें छोटी छोटी थी. So I will start with the skincare first and then we will move on to makeup. मेरी स्किन जो है वो कॉम्बिनेशन टू ऑयली है एंड ये जो मानसून वाला सीज़न है इसमें और ज़्यादा वो ऑयली होती है, ग्रीसी हो जाती है. सो आई ऑर्डर्ड ग्रीन टी रेंज फ्रॉम प्लम. This I was celebrating its birthday. Sale going on Plum. It started on 1st of July, I guess. The sale ended on 5th of July. I am quite late in sharing these products with you, but कुछ ना कुछ डिस्काउंट प्लम पे हमेशा चलता रहता है. एंड जस्ट फॉर द रिकॉर्ड, दिस video is not sponsored. So I ordered green tea range, skincare range from Plum. From Plum was this face wash, this Plum face. This came in a cardboard box like this. Everything is written over here with the prices and everything, and I will mention the MRP and sale price मुझे मिला था जिस प्राइस पे. This is a gel based face wash and इट एक्चुअली जो आपके फेस पे होते हैं उन पोर्स से इसने डर्ट निकाल दी है. इट फील्स सो गुड, सो लग्जूरियस. आई लव दिस. नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट वी हैव, प्लम ग्रीन टी अल्कोहल फ्री टोनर. This is 200 ml product and this is so good. I love this product. I love it because it is actually for combination oily acne prone skin. So I do not have acne on my skin, but my skin is prone to whiteheads. My skin is combination to oily. ज़्यादा पसीना यहाँ आता है और यहाँ आता है और यहाँ आता है, तो दैट इज़ माई टी जोन. ये जो है ना मेरे स्वेट के प्रोडक्शन को कम कर देता है ऑन माई ऑयल, या फिर आने नहीं देता बाहर. मेरा चेहरा बहुत कम ऑयली होता है व्हेन आई यूज़ दिस. स्मिटन से ये छोटा वाला साइज टोनर मंगाया था. आई लव्ड इट, दैट्स व्हाई आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस बिग वन. I've posted a Smitten haul on my Instagram and what all things I got from there. Next we have from Plum this green tea mattifying moisturizer. This is a very I love this product. ये वैसा thick consistency का नहीं है क्रीम, it is water consistency product. And this, I don't know how they made it, but this is so good. MRP इसका 470 है and I got it on discount. Brand Plum is 100% vegan, and if you don't know what vegan is plant based और प्लांट बेस्ड डाइट. इसमें कोई भी चीज़ जो एनिमल्स से आती है वो यूज़ नहीं होती है. एग्जाम्पल फूड में वीगन फूड इज़ वेयर nothing that comes from animals, be it eggs, be milk, everything is plant based, so that is vegan. So this product is vegan, cruelty free, it has no parabens. Plum renewed clarity night gel. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys that I have already used the day moisturizer and the night moisturizer earlier in 2019, when I actually introduced my skin to skincare. I started doing my skincare in 2019. I did not start before that. Yes, I took care of my skin, used remedies, yeah, all being through it. Care of my skin, I used to moisturize and things like that, but actual skincare I started doing in 2019. First product that I used in my skincare was Plum. So I have a special relationship with Plum, and actually I saw the difference when I started using Plum, this renewed clarity gel. My skin was very pigmented. It has dark spots, and I saw reduction in my pigmentation around my mouth, around my forehead. So yeah, this helped. It smells amazing. I लोगों को fragrance नहीं पसंद होती, but I like its fragrance. This is a very luxurious product. This is a water based gel, and आप ये रात में लगा लो, next day your skin will be plump and very juicy. It will be amazing. Next thing that I got from Plum was this Plum green tea clear face mask. Both of these come in glass jars, and these are really good quality packaging. I mean, this comes in a very nice frosted glass. This comes in clear glass, and I have not yet used this, but I am eagerly waiting to use this. I am currently using M Caffeine face mask. I'll use this. I will definitely update you guys on my Instagram. So मेरे को follow कर लो, okay? That I got from Plum was this Plum body loving body oil in the variant vanilla vibe. It actually smells like vanilla. I'm currently using a Hawaiian Rumba variant, and that is also exotic. I mean, ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर ये ऑयल कंसिस्टेंसी में है तो वो चिप चिप होगा, और नो, this is actually a moisturizer. It is very moisturized, hydrated, and does not feel greasy at all. This is such a good product. Let me, I think I अंदर से बंद है. Wow, it gives a very beautiful shine also, and does not greasy. It leaves your body smelling so good all day long. I love this. These are all the things that I ordered from Plum. Moving on, I ordered these things from Nykaa. I ordered a makeup fixer. How this looks. I have used this. मैंने जो मेकअप लुक किया है, पूरा जो मैंने प्रोडक्ट्स मंगाए थे उसे यूज़ करके किया है, और थोड़े प्रोडक्ट्स और, बिकॉज मैंने इतने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं मंगाए थे, बट आई हैव यूज्ड ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आई हैव परचेज्ड. और आप जानना चाहते हो हाउ आई क्रिएटेड दिस लुक, देन प्लीज़ follow me on Instagram. My handle is nehavesh09. So this is the makeup fixer. Makeup fixer natural aloe vera with vitamin E, Swiss Beauty ऐसे लिखा हुआ है इस पे. So this is very good. It smells, has a fragrance which I am not sure if I like it or I don't like it. I have mixed reviews about it, but this has actually my makeup. Almost 3 hours I did my makeup, and this is how this looks. Ordered Ultra Dry Block SPF 50 PA+++. I have whole review on this. If you want to watch it, I will link it in the I button somewhere here or here. So this is my favorite sunscreen. I love it, and I cannot recommend enough कि आपको sunscreen use करना चाहिए. I keep on telling you guys, please use a sunscreen. Next thing that I ordered was Heaven Diamond Blush On. It comes in a cardboard like this. This is a very beautiful peachy kind of shade. I'll give you a swatch. So this is how it looks. It's very subtle. This has a bit of shimmer particles to it. This looks so beautiful. Looks so gorgeous. I love it. I'm in love with this blush. And this is such an affordable product. I will give all the details in the description bar somewhere here. This is all I got from Nykaa. Moving on to Purple. I have got only 2-3 products from Purple. All NY Bay Foundation Concealer Contour Color Correct Stick. This is how it looks. I got it in 3 shades. golden, almond, toffee. These are the three shades that I got. A cream. So this one I ordered for color correcting because I have pigmentation, dark circles around my eyes. This is the shade that for contouring, and I have used this blends so beautifully. It blends like butter, gives you a very subtle shadow. I love this. This is not at all costly. इसका MRP is 125. Next I got this Bronson Professional Makeup Sponge. This is very dirty, okay, don't judge me. I have used this twice. This was pink in color and now it's not pink anymore. So this is how it looks. This is diamond shaped. The shape is so beautiful and it is so practical. Like the larger surface is for your face and ye jo pointed edge, your inner corners and everything. So this is a very good product and this is very soft. It's not hard और ये काफ़ी बड़ी हो जाती है when it's soaked. Now, right now it's soaked and it's huge. I mean, ये and now when I try and keep it, it won't go inside. Okay. So actually became twice the size what came. So this costed me around 250 rupees and this is really good. All the things that I got from Purple. Now shopped from Amazon. I shop from Amazon every now and then. From the sale I got 3-4 products. Yeah. This Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation 24 hours. I got it in the shade Natural Beige. I feel this shade is olive undertone. I am more towards warm yellow undertones. So, but works for me. I like it. I have used this. I have mixed Lakme 9 to 5 to it because Lakme 9 to 5 is kind of very orange for me and this is very olive for me. So I mixed the two and I made this shade and it looks pretty good. Yeah. This, as it claims 24 hours foundation, is available in so many shades. It was, I guess, 8 to 9 shades available on Amazon. This cost around 750 bucks, but I got it on sale. This is a really good foundation. I have heard so much about it. I wanted to try it myself. Yes, it is very good. And next thing I got was this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation up to 12 hours SPF 28 PA+++ oil control in the shade Toffee 330 Toffee, and this is how this looks. I have done my bronzing with this. Actually ordered this for bronzing. It gives you a very subtle, a very beautiful brown shade. Very beautiful warm tone brown. This comes with a sponge like this. I do not use the sponge, I use brush. And next thing that I ordered, Mars. This is banana powder. It has a yellow tint which brightens up your face. So this is how this looks. I love the packaging. It's so good. It's so chic. I mean, the blue color, I am in love with this blue color. It comes with a sponge like this. I have used this, so iska sponge aise ho gaya hai. It is so finely milled. It is such a smooth powder. It does not have any scratchy type of thing, which I love this powder. This is so impressed with Indian brands coming out with such good products. I mean, to support them. Next I have is this 12 brushes set from Amazon. Matlab impressed with these. They are not very huge though. They are not very big, but I like it because I have more control over it. Came in this bag, जो big blending brush, dome वाला. Blending brushes हैं इस तरीके के fluffy blending brushes. छोटा वाला फ्लैट शेडर ब्रश है और एक बड़ा वाला फ्लैट शेडर ब्रश है, which looks like this. Then it has an eyeliner brush. It has one angled brush. It has pencil brush. This is how this looks. The brushes, and I love this, and I have used a few of them today, and I am excited to use more. I ordered was these Curves and Lashes liquid eyeliners in the shade BTS Love and Zafran. These are very gorgeous. As you know, Cuffs and Lashes is a brand owned by Nidhi Katiyar, who is an YouTuber. She has made some bomb products. I love her. मतलब मैं उनको Instagram पे भी फॉलो करती हूँ और YouTube पे भी, and I love watching her videos. Eyeliners मेरा ये टूट गया है, but ठीक है यार, क्या कर सकते हैं, टूट ही गया तो. Look, I love these shades, and they are claiming to be waterproof eyeliners, and oh god, these are waterproof eyeliners. You cannot remove them easily. These are very tough, मतलब ऐसे ऐसे करके remove करना पड़ता है. They are so good. I love their pigment. ना इतनी जल्दी सूख जाते हैं, मतलब आपको वेट नहीं करना पड़ेगा कि लिक्विड आईलाइनर लगाया तो वेट करें आंखें खोलने के लिए. That's all the shopping that I did in the sale. I have one bonus for you guys since Raksha Bandhan is come and आपको गिफ्ट देना होगा अपने भाई को या अपनी बहन को, समथिंग जो आप लोग दे सकते हो. दिस आई डिड नॉट बाय, आई गॉट इट in the giveaway. I won a giveaway with M Caffeine and That Sheen Girl on Instagram, and I got this. This is so good. This is a gift kit. It has a coffee body scrub, and a coffee body polishing oil, a massager, and a spatula. This is so good. Used another, मेरे पास इतना छोटा सा है इसका मिनी साइज. It was so good. It smells like coffee. If you are a coffee lover, this is a treat for you. So beautiful kit जो आप गिफ्ट भी कर सकते हो. It comes with a box like, it opens like this, and you can put a message or something, right? That's it from this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. और अगर आपको कोई भी चीज़ लेनी है तो डेफिनेटली चेक द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. एंड अगर आपको कुछ पूछना होता है ना मेकअप के रिगार्डिंग या एनीथिंग अबाउट स्किन केयर और जो भी मुझे पता होगा, आई विल डेफिनेटली ट्राई टू हेल्प यू. यू लीव अ कॉमेंट आस्किंग मी एनी क्वेश्चंस यू हैव, और यू कैन आस्क मी ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम. मुझको DM करके आप पूछ सकते हो. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do like the video, share it with your friends and family. Do leave a comment, how do you like this video, and if you have any suggestions on what topic should I make the next video, then please do leave a comment. Also subscribe to my channel, because why not, you are watching it. If you enjoy my videos, keep on watching. See you next time.